Now, the World Breastfeeding Week came to an end with nutritionists and health professionals appealing to institutions to provide space and time for lactating mothers to breastfeed. But this also came against the backdrop of mothers finding the modern-day lifestyle too limiting for breastfeeding.
These are expectant and lactating mothers from pastoralist communities in Isiolo, receiving lessons on proper breastfeeding and its benefits. As the World Breastfeeding Week came to an end, the Tupendane Community Health Center brought mothers together. The topic, the importance of breastfeeding their young for 6 months.
Breastfeeding is a very important health survival intervention, which, if it is done correctly, can save the lives of many children in Isiolo. As such, as a county, we take the World Breastfeeding Week celebrations very seriously.
Breastfeeding is not just to feed, but is helping the improvement of the society whole. And then it's very important to involve even Isiolo County. We have already celebrated with 160 women in Kinna Health Center 2 days ago. We have done health talk focused on breastfeeding and exclusively breastfeeding up to 6 months of the baby, and invitation and sensitization about the mother to have access to the public health facilities.
Dr. Kiluva reveals that Isiolo County was ranked the 5th worst county in terms of child mortality rates, with 700 child deaths for every 100,000 live births.
Breastfeeding is very, very important for the health of the child. You know, it has been shown to prevent diarrhea because, as you know, God created the milk safe. It prevents upper respiratory tract infections. And these are benefits because if your child is not going to be suffering from this kind of infections, then as a parent you're also happy because you spent less time going to the hospital.
Speaking at Kericho at a similar ceremony, University Don Professor Miriam Were underscored the need to breastfeed for 6 months before introducing solid foods.
I was particularly happy for the demonstration of what husbands can do, what fathers need to do to help breastfeeding.
The speakers said in order for this to be achieved, there is need for organizations to provide private rooms for lactating mothers to express and refrigerate breast milk for their young.
Many places of work have not organized where the mother should express the milk. So that is why sometimes a mother goes to the toilet to express the milk, but the toilet is not a clean place, so it's not a good thing. Then secondly, after you have expressed the milk, you need to have a fridge, a refrigerator, to keep the milk.
During the World Breastfeeding Week, countries focus on the messages and challenges of exclusive breastfeeding in a world where working women have little time to spend with their infants. Trix Ingado, KTN News.